Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. You're likely familiar with the marketing rule of 7, the concept that people need to see an offer 7 times before they take action. And your website marketing campaigns are no exception to this rule. When a visitor closes your pop-up, what's your next move? If you're only showing one campaign to your visitors, you're wasting a golden opportunity. Pop-ups work to increase conversions, but not all visitors will opt in the first time. That's why you need OptinMonster's on-site follow-up campaigns to help you convert wavering visitors. You can create an automated follow-up sequence to show these same visitors another offer, or present the same offer in a different way. These second-chance offers are proven to convert. For example, check out our case study on how Anywhere.com recovers 56% of their abandoning visitors with their on-site follow-up campaigns. You can boost sales and increase lead generation with on-site follow-up campaigns by highlighting new and recommended products, offering webinars and case studies, encouraging social media participation, and promoting your most popular content. Our display rules allow you to create effective, automated follow-up campaign sequences that give your website superpowers, wowing your visitors and boosting your revenue. And when you combine this with our exit intent technology, you can present your visitors with the last chance offer they can't refuse. So, are you ready to increase leads and sales with automated on-site follow-up marketing? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.